Hello, my name is Jack, and today I'm excited to review the 12-volt heating and air conditioner low-profile unit by outequippro. It's installed in our 2022 Tiffin Wayfarer motorhome. At only 24 feet, we now have two air conditioner units that we can run both units on a 20-amp circuit. So there's three reasons why we picked the 12-volt outequippro air conditioner heating unit. Number one, this one had heat, the other one didn't. Second reason is we're able to run days and not hours off of our batteries. And the third reason is the noise. Okay, so we've already removed the faceplate for the fan, and we also removed the speaker, and the objective is to take and run the wire from here using the speaker as a middle point, and then coming through the closet and then routing the wire through here up to the main panel here, and then I'm going to feed down through the wall underneath the bed and to the battery panel. We had to shift the solar panel over 2 inches. Okay, I removed the cover for the max fan. And now what I'll have to do is I'll have to scrape off this lap seal and expose the screws that hold this down and clean the surface up and prepare it for the gasket. Okay. We added the ladder in the back of the pickup truck and slid the box up on the roof. Wired the main feed through the RV to go inside versus drilling into the roof and then neaten it up with zip ties. Also on the gasket, make sure you put the gasket east and west and not north and south. Rather than use extended all thread and have the grid a couple inches below the ceiling, we end up just drilling into the frame. We used wood to box out the return and the supply area, and this way we were able to use the supplied hardware that came with the unit to properly install this, attaching it to the aluminum frame. Then what we did is we took HVAC tape and wrapped the supply and any type of return area so that we wouldn't have any overlap. And then finally we used the foam that they provided on the areas where the connection wires go into the ceiling grid. They also didn't provide any type of air filter, so we ended up improvising and using bungee cords to be able to attach it to the return frame. When we got the remote, it was in Celsius, and so we had to contact the manufacturer, and it's just a quick fix. It's turbo and swing real quick, and it toggles back and forth between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay, now that's all installed, it's time to take a look and see what the temperature is going to be on this. So right now we have 68.8, almost 70 degrees. We're at 42, 43 degrees output on the supply side. Okay, we have had this air conditioning installed now for 2 weeks. We came up from Tampa and now we're up in the Michigan market, so we have been able to successfully use the air conditioning portion, and now we're starting to use the heat mode. This unit is great for small areas. It really does cool down our bedroom area, which is really the objective. It will cool down the RV rig, but it will take some time. What we actually do is be able to rapidly cool down the unit. We turn on both the existing 15,000 BTU unit that came with the Tiffin unit, as well as run the battery one. And again, like I said in the opening, we're able to do this using just a 20 amp outlet. We do have a soft starter on our 15,000 BTU unit, which allows us to be able to do the 20 amp circuit. We did end up adding an additional 5 solar panels to the roof, which produces 30 amps of power most of the day, full sunlight days, and the air conditioning after turbo mode tapers down to roughly about 33 to 35 amps, which is very small amp draw when the solar panels are giving it basically a wash. The unit does tremendous in being able to remove the humidity from the area, given the small size of it, and it is very, very user-friendly and easy to have conversations and now be able to conduct business and Zoom calls without having to shut the air conditioning down and the noise from the blower. Really pleased with it. We do like the little functional disc vents, so then we can direct the vents to forward or to in the bedroom area to the individual areas, so it's not blowing into your face. All in all, we're very happy with it, and if anybody has any comments or suggestions, I'll be happy to answer. Thanks again, and appreciate you watching.